How to turn on keyboard light on Lenovo laptop. So let's get started. First of all, your backlight may not turn on due to low battery. Make sure your laptop is charged to at least 75%. If your battery is an issue, there are ways to increase your battery longevity. Then locate the backlight shortcut key. In most cases, this will be located on your keyboard spacebar. The icons look like a horizontal bracket with arcing rays above it. Now, press Fn plus backlight to turn on your keyboard backlight. Similar to taking screenshots on Lenovo, you will need to press these keys at the same time. To adjust your brightness, press Fn and backlight as many times as needed to cycle through your laptop's brightness present. To turn off your backlight, press Fn and backlight until the backlight turns off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.